Hi again. Today we're going to discuss on preventive maintenance. So once you launch the apps, click on the fourth button on the bottom navigation bar, which is the preventive maintenance page. In this page, the first thing you need to do is to uncheck the hide non-PM assets. The previously registered asset will shown here without any PM plans. Click on it. Click on add new preventive maintenance plan. So there are several ways of doing this. The first way is to copy from other similar assets. You can do it so, or you can have it imported from a template by first creating a preventive maintenance template. Else, you just have to define all the activity one by one. Select the service technician which is going to carry out the preventive maintenance activity. Define the preventive maintenance activity. Define the first date of this activity to be carried out. Define the year of duration for this particular plan. And lastly, define the preventive maintenance frequency. How frequent this activity to be carried out. Once you have done, you can move on to add another activity by clicking on the Add Activity button. So you can repeat the very same step as above, or you just move on as to submit this preventive maintenance plan by click on the Submit button. That's all.